Rhonda said, "What's up? It's me, Rhonda, and I'm here today with a new palette from Colourpop, and it's an Ulta exclusive, so that's always cool. We love something exclusive. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I really super duper appreciate it. And this is called On the List, and it's very pretty. And it's a color story that I like, and this looks like a duochrome. So we'll get in here and see. I didn't do swatches because I was too lazy, but let's get in here and make a beautiful look with a very pretty palette. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmers, six shimmers in here, which is very nice. I'm going to start with Take 2, and I'm going to put this in the crease. The pigmentation is not so great. I just was using a melt palette, and after you use a melt palette and you go to this, it's lackluster to go from something that's super pigmented to this. It's barely showing up. I'm like digging in here. It's there. It's just a very light color. So I'm going to build up on that with Boundaries. This beautiful kind of, I don't know what kind of color to call that. Just pretty. Kind of rosy-ish. Oh, it's more orange. More apricot. And that's showing up much better. I don't know what I was expecting from Take 2. It's a super light color. Just building, building, building. We love to build a look. Building, building, building. You know who's on the hook. I don't know. Making up songs, it's part of what I do. Usually it's for the cats. But you got lucky. Today it was for you. Let's see. It's very pretty so far. But I want to go into VIP here, this shimmer. It's like a similar, it's kind of a coppery color with the shimmer in it. It's definitely more copper. I wanted to say rose gold, but it's not quite there. That's really pretty. So I've done 3 colors that are basically the same. Let's get in here. And I'm going to go in with my finger into Reality. And put that on the lid. And it is a duochrome. It's not showing up very well. This pigmentation is not everything. Maybe it's because I'm using my finger. But usually when you use your finger, you get a lot more intensity. I'm really going ham on this. It's showing up a little bit. I've got a little bit of a mess going on. That is not doing what I wanted it to do at all. That is very disappointing. I mean, this is going to be a cute look, but I was really expecting some payoff with, I mean, you can see the shimmer in it, and that's pretty, but it's just not doing what I want it to do. I'm going to go in with my finger on, I do not know what this is, but it's a light shimmer. I'm going to go into the inside corner with that, and that one worked much better. That looks great. That showed up very nicely. I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to go in with this other shimmer called Violet, which is not violet at all. I'm trying to figure out which brush to use. I'm going to use this brush. That's pretty. This is not a great palette. The pigmentation is, there's not a lot of payoff. This is going back to Ulta. Because sometimes Colourpop is pretty good. And maybe my expectations are too high because I've been using some really nice palettes lately. I don't know. But it's not very good. And there's some great Colourpop palettes. I've got some great Colourpop palettes that I really like, but this is not so good. Let's blend this out. It blends out nice, but it's just not a great, it's just not great. And this looks crazy over here. That looks much better. All right, let's do some liner and mascara and I'll be right back. Voila, we have mascara and eyeliner on, and it really pulls this look together. It's a pretty look. It is a nice basic palette, but it's nothing that, it's not worth the $18, I don't think. You know, unless you have low expectations and you're happy with just whatever. It's not terrible, but I just used, you know, a fantastic palette the last time I did my makeup, and it's just day and night. Let's do some lips. Let's do something a little rosy. This is number 340. Exhilaration. I think this should look pretty good. Ooh, yeah. Little wonky over here. Much better. Very nice indeed. I'm pretty happy with this look. Overall, turned out fine. This is The On the List palette is off my list of good things, but you know, if you like just okay stuff, then definitely give this a go. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.